Check him out, MyCru Car Club. MyCru Car Club. Tim right there, there he is, you see him? Yeah, Tim look good. Check him out. Yeah. And he got flames. I think he got ghost flames in them flames. If you ain't seen it, check him out. Ooh, look good. On a KTM stealth wheels, you see that? Yeah. Tim look good out here, man. And you know he got his MyCru. It's over there on that side. Look, he got the flames all across. He won Best Lowrider. It's the South Bend Auto Show, guys. Right here, you see him. Damn. Ocean of blue and white. Looking good, man. Rick's Rat Rod. I damn near hit the mirror on him. Damn. It says following the Slamology, you see? Yeah, Gauge Magazine. I always like that, man. That's one of my favorite touches. For real. He got the clean tub. How you doing, Tim? You freezing to death, man?
No, man. This is my type of work.
Really? I'm cold as hell out here, man. Dude, the truck looks damn good. You got cleaned up nice. Yeah, you think so?
Like shit.
Wow, he always says that. He's goofy, man. It's good to see you guys out. Kyle out here killing it with this thing, isn't he? Look, he got the tablet in here. You didn't have that in there before, did you? Last time I seen it? Check him out, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Nasty. Look at these gauges, guys. You wanna hit some switches for us, Tim? Check him out. We're gonna get you on the sticker side. There you see him. He's got his MyCru hat on too. Killing me on the copyright, Kyle. Ooh, there he goes. Yeah. Tim out here showing out. He look good sitting here with Kyle. It looked like they have a place. Brett could park right here next to him, man. He got him a spot. Rick Shepard, Nicole Shepard, they up here with the Rat Rods. Yeah, that looks good, Tim. Thank you, man. He looked real good. Check him out, Kyle out here in the Mini, killing me with the copyright. Oh man, check him out. We gotta get his MyCru on here too. Check him out. He got his crap star on here too. Yeah. Play something not copyrighted, Kyle. You got something not copyrighted? I gotta get you like a USB stick or something. It's just got some trap music on it. Listen to him go, man. I take it you got your parts in from Germany. There you go. It's good to see you, man. Man, check him out. You got his mic gear on too. Man, Tim ain't the only one out here sporting it. Woo. Alright, guys. We'll be back down soon. Love you, Kyle.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.